Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss the cartilages of the larynx. See here, three cartilages unpaid, three cartilages paid are there. So unpaid cartilages are largest. This is the thyroid cartilage. This is the thyroid cartilage. Next here, leaf-like structure. This is called the epiglottides. This is called the epiglottides. Next here, another third one is there. This is a cricoid cartilage. This is called the cricoid cartilage. The cricoid cartilage, thyroid cartilage, and this is the epiglottides. These three are the unpaid. This epiglottis is a leaf-like structure. This thyroid cartilage is the shield-like or butterfly shape. This anterior two laminas fuse together in the center elevated part, that is also called the Adam's apple. This is called the Adam's apple. This is a ring shape is there. That is a ring shape. It is also called the cricoid cartilage. It is having the anterior lamina and posterior lamina is there. Next, another paid cartilages are there. Paid cartilages are two right and left arytenoid cartilage. See here we can palpate. Here we can palpate the arytenoid cartilages, pyramidal shape. Here see here arytenoid cartilage, right and left arytenoid cartilages. Then above arytenoid cuneiform and corniculated cartilages are there. The six are there. Two corniculated, two cuneiform, two arytenoid cartilages. These three are the paid cartilages and three are the unpaid cartilages. See, and also above this cartilage, hyoid bone. This is called the hyoid bone. Hyoid bone. Between the hyoid bone and the thyroid cartilage, there is a membrane is there. This is called the thyroid membrane. Thyroid membrane. It is pierced by the nerve, internal laryngeal nerve. This is the internal laryngeal nerve. This is the thyroid membrane. Next, and also just below this cricoid cartilage, we can identify the thyroid gland is there. See, left side and right side lobes of the thyroid gland. This is the right side lobe of the thyroid gland. This is the left side lobe of the thyroid gland. This is called the isthmus. So this thyroid gland in front of this cricoid as well as the lower 4 to 6 tracheal cartilages. So when you seeing the posterior side of this the larynx part, this having the, see how it is. So this is called the epiglottides. Next here one elevation is there, that is called the vestibular fold. This is called the vocal folds, right and left vocal folds, right and left vestibular folds. Here sinus is there, that is called the ventricle of larynx and also called the sinus of the larynx. Then this spot is known as the inner surface of the two laminas of the thyroid cartilage. Next, this is called the cricoid cartilage. Where this, so this is called the vocal folds. When it is close to each other, vocal folds, that gap is known as the rhimaglotides. So this see here how it is the interior of the larynx. See this is a sagittal section of the larynx. See, this is the inlet of the larynx. When you take the section right off and left of the larynx, this is called the epiglottis. See, this is acting like a tropic foliage. This is the epiglottides. This is the thyroid cartilage. This is called the cricoid cartilage. Inside, see, here the two folds are there. This is called the vestibular fold. This is called the vocal folds. Between these two folds, there is a gap is there. This is sinus of the larynx and also called the ventricle of the larynx. And also we can finding here the, see, this is called the arytenoid cartilage. This is called the arytenoid cartilage. Between this arytenoid and epiglottis, there is a fold is there. This is called the aryepiglottic fold. This is called the aryepiglottic fold. See, this is called the aryepiglottic fold. This is a sinus is there, that is called the pyriformis sinus and also called the smuggler's fossa. This is the interior of the larynx region. This is the epiglottides, thyroid cartilage. This is the cricoid cartilage. Then next continuation has a tracheal rings. This is very important. So this vocal folds and vestibular folds. This is